Hey there, this is Jason Geffert with Sentiment Trader. I want to take a few minutes to go over some of the ways to generate trading or investment ideas via the screens that we offer on the site. The screens just slice and dice the data in different ways to come up with ideas for stocks, ETF sectors, commodities, etc. So if we go up to More and then go to Screens, we can start with just the first one, S&P 1500 Long Ideas. So on any of the screens you can click the explanation box, and that will give you more information. So that will tell you exactly what is being screened. So in this case, we're looking for any stock in the S&P 1500 that's, in this particular case for long ideas, above their 200-day moving average, so in a general uptrend, and the 5-day optimism index, or optics, is less than 35. And so you can sort the table by optics value, looking at the most oversold ones at this point. The 5-day MA can sort by that as well. And then the price compared to the 200-day moving average, and then just click the ticker to pull up the stock. The same goes for S&P 1500 short ideas, except for the opposite. So these are stocks that are below their 200-day moving average, but seeing high optimism on a 5-day average. Other screens, ETF sentiment and seasonality. So these will pull up funds, ETFs, the most active funds that we follow, or most popular funds anyway. So these are ones where the January return, say, is negative, but the optics value is high, and those will be highlighted with red. So you can see that the Russell 2000 actually, on average, has shown a negative return for January, but it's showing high optimism at the time. There actually aren't any green ones at this point, so if it's green, that would show a positive return for January on average, but showing pessimism, and we're just not seeing that at this point for any of the funds that we follow. Other screens, ETF sentiment and trend. Again, for more information, you can just click the table description. But these are ones where the fund is trading above its 200-day moving average, but showing pessimism currently, and those will be highlighted in green. Again, we're not seeing any of those. We're actually not seeing any of either extreme. So the other extreme would be below its 200-day moving average, but showing high optimism, and those will be highlighted in red. Commodity sentiment and seasonality, same concept. So if it on average it shows a positive return for January, but it's showing pessimism, as the dollar is at this point, it'll be highlighted in green. If it's typically a negative return but showing high optimism, so the euro, pound, unleaded gas, those will be highlighted in red. And the same goes for commodity sentiment and trend. So these are ones where if it's trading above its 200-day moving average but seeing pessimism, it'll be green. If it's below its 200-day moving average, so in a general downtrend, but seeing optimism, it'll be highlighted in red. And that's just a few ways to generate some trading or investment ideas using some of the screens that we offer.